Hey folks, want to share a trade I took on ENPH today thanks to one of the members in the room here, Gene R. I logged into the room in the midday at around 1:39 market time. I asked what was moving. Gene R said ENPH has been very clean. They had been trading it all day. So pulled up a chart and I went long within 2 minutes. Let's take a look at what I did today. So ENPH daily has been pretty bad here, nasty sell-off, but it kind of put in this inside candle right here, marking that a bottom could be put in. Yesterday it gapped up but closed red, so still a little bit weak. Today it showed true strength, right? It just did ABCDs all day, bought off the VWAP up through here, bought off yesterday's high. That's where I took the trade and kind of topped out at 25.40 here, right? So once I saw that it was holding this level, it's just refusing to give up, I got in when the volume came in a bit here, got in, had about a 1.5 to 1 move here because my stop was here, right? I didn't take any partial because I was looking for a little bit more than 2 to 1 on this. I saw that during this kind of sideways area that every time it came down to 25, someone was buying it up or people were buying it up, right? It just kept getting scooped up. That's how these wicks are created. So obviously there's some interest at $25. And my target was going to be before the high of the day, right? Often you take an ABCD, you'd like to get out before high of the day based on your risk to reward, right? You'd like to get some off or maybe all of it, whatever, right? Because people are looking to sell at high of the day. In this case, the SPY actually ended up running at 2 o'clock for some reason on huge volume. That's like the second biggest bar of the day, I believe. I think there was presidential news or speaking or something, but that basically drove the move up and I was able to get out. So when you're trading the midday, you really got to pay attention to what the SPY is doing. It's probably going to influence the stock that you're trading. Things tend to mirror the markets after a certain time. At the open, stocks that are in play, the momentum will carry and things like that. But during the midday, you really got to watch out for these things. So I was telling the people in the room that 25.40 is probably going to be the top, and I got that from here, which was this top area here, and that's basically where the selling happened, right? Everyone's taking profit on this run up, huge volume, as you can see the spike where I got out here, and it created a shooting star on the 1 minute chart. The 5 minute chart just became all these selling indicators, huge top wick, blow off top, had a shooting star, perfect doji, another doji right there. So I think at this area, people were giving up on the stock, right? And then it retraced back down to 24.90 area, where it's actually given another nice little 30-cent move here, right? So beautiful support resistance, really respecting the levels, which is what you want to see on trend trades, respecting the moving averages and the daily levels that you find during the pre-market. Anyways, thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any questions down below or any comments, and I'll see you guys in the room.